Hello, hi everyone. Hope you all are doing great. Tasan here. Welcome to Solution World channel. In today's session, actually, we are going to discuss a very important earning methodology. Actually, very user-friendly website where we are going to actually transcription work. It's nothing but audio will be given to you. All you have to do is just listen to it and type it. Actually, so it's a very easy earning, and actually you can earn a very good, handsome amount of money over here. Actually, watch till the end so that you can get a very clear idea about it. So it doesn't need actually any qualification. Just all you need to do is just listen and you need to type it. So you can do this actually job over mobile phone or else actually using your laptop. So if you're comfortable with your mobile phone, actually you can also work. So no issues, actually no eligibility criteria. So let's right away get into our session. Let's start. So let's get started. So first you open your Google Chrome. Here in the Google Chrome, here we are going to type here Go Transcript. So in the below description, I have given a link for you. Just go and click on it. So straight away you'll get into this website. So here you can see Go Transcript. I'm going to just click on this Go Transcript. So this is how the website looks like. So here you can see I'm going to scroll down. Here you can see 50 plus supported languages are here. Actually, it's a transcription service. It's nothing but the audio will be given. You have to type in text. So here all you have to do is just, if you want actually any of your audio file, upload any of your audio files to convert into actually text, you can actually just place the order over here and you can do it. I'm going to change it into the desktop site. So here actually I'm going to click on these three dots and have changed it to desktop site. So just scroll down. Here in the scroll down you can see for transcriptionist, here you can see work. So I'm going to click on work because I'm going to work as a freelancer. You can earn a very good amount of money here actually. So here you can see average earning per month will be $150. It will be around 12 to 15,000. It's a very good handsome amount. So total monthly earnings actually $1215. So it's really permanent. It's going to cost you 0.60 something. So here I'm going to click on apply now. Which language it is asking, I'm going to click on English. So once you click on this, it will ask you to log in. So sign up with email. So either you can actually by giving an email ID and password you can sign up, or else actually with your Facebook or with Google. So I'm going to sign up with Google. So it is asking me to choose an account because I have multiple accounts. So actually I have selected account. So here you can see my login. This is my login, and here you can see my order, and there is a discount, account settings, notification, affiliate. By doing affiliate also actually you can work just by sharing with your friends and relatives. So again you have to scroll down, and actually again you have to come down and click on work. So once you click on this, actually again it will ask you for actually apply now button, and you have to click on English. So once you're done with this, actually double time clicking all that procedures, do it properly. Here you can see there will be a 10 questions given to you. It's all MCQs questions, multiple choice question. You have to get pass in this. Actually it's a very easy, and they have given the guidelines itself. Actually all the answers are given, so you need not to worry. Just read the guidelines properly, and definitely you can actually get pass into this MCQs. Actually just 10 questions are given. Actually just click on guidelines. So once you click on this guidelines, so they will give you actually few examples, and they have explained very neatly, very clearly. They have explained how to answer, and here you can see the payment methodology will be by the means of PayPal and Payoneer. Actually if you don't know how to create the PayPal account, actually you can just in the YouTube channel you can have a look on it in the other YouTube channels actually how to create it. So here this is the guidelines. So the answers are given over here. Actually just if you read it once, definitely you can give the answer for those 10 questions. So it's a very easy 10 questions. Actually you need not to worry. Once you clear that questions, actually you will start getting the orders. So the orders will be, they will send you in the audio. So all you have to do is just listen to that audio, and you have to type it as it is. So you need not to worry actually about anything. So this is all about the Go Transcript, and you can earn really a good amount of money over here. If you work actually continuously for around actually for 4 to 5 hours in this, so definitely you can earn very good. So before ending the session, I want you all to subscribe my channel and to watch more videos, and you want to know actually more videos about how to earn online using mobile phone and other means, actually definitely watch. In the below description I have a link, and you can get into my playlist and you can have a look, so that you can earn good and you can be safe at home. Hope you all enjoyed this session. Subscribe my channel, like, share with your friends. Take care. Bye bye.